Okay. Nepong annim Pwipwi.
Nepong annim. Good evening.
So, if I want to ask someone if they can help me, how do you say that?
Anisi.
Anisi.
Anisi. Help me.
How do you say it? So, how do you say please?
Kose mochen.
So, Kose mochen Anisi.
There you go. Kose mochen Anisi.
Okay. Hey, baby.
Yes. Ewer. Met.
Kose mochen Anisi.
Ewer. And then if I were to respond to that, I'd say, with what? Or what do you need help with? I can say, Ren met.
Ren men what?
Ren
Met.
Ewe.
Away. Ren met away.
And then kind of put a question mark.
Ren met away.
Ren met.
Ren met away. Okay. It's okay. Hey, baby. How do you say it again?
Oi.
How do you say it?
Kose mochen Anisi.
Baby.
Oi. Ewer.
Kose mochen Anisi.
Ren met.
I need money.
Moni. I need money. Money.
Give me $1.
$1. I don't have $1 for you. So, Kose mochen
mochen
Ari CA.
CA. Kose mochen CA.
Help me, please.
Okay. Where's my $1? Did you?
See you.